Adoy, narahuli adoy. Ano, rasa? Karahol. Grabe na itong tiilong, guys. Karahol man. Damon-amon na tanong. Sobra. Sobra 20 ada. Mapi kung mabuhit ka na. Para raot man yun. Panguan, wari pag-chitsilyo. Bida mangunguha ito na akong lubi, tapos ibabaligyan niya akon. Tag-5 lang ito ha. Tungkog madang sundang?
Nanay, it's a grapes.
No, it's not a grapes.
Why not?
Why not?
Why?
It's a
It's a
animo feet, very dirty.
nanay. It's grape.
Diri to grapes.
Why?
Adoy, ayaw ako nito doy.
Why, nanay?
Why? What is it, nanay?
What is that?
What is that? It's a grapes. No, it's not. It's a coconut. I don't know.
It's
It's
a
a
dangerous.
yes, it's a dangerous. Don't eat that. It's poisonous.